In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Smartsheet by date. Whether you're managing a project or organizing a schedule, being able to sort and arrange your data efficiently is key. This tutorial will help you quickly find exactly what you need in your sheets without wading through unnecessary information. Let's get started straight away. The first thing you want to do is locate the column in your Smartsheet that has the dates you are interested in filtering. Once you have found your date column, move your cursor and hover over the header of that column. You'll notice a small down arrow appears. This arrow is going to be your gateway to customizing your view, so go ahead and click on it. When you do so, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options for filtering your data. Here, you'll see several potential options like date range, today, this week, and potentially more, depending on your specific context. These options allow you to specify precisely which dates you want to include or omit from your view. It's all about honing in on what's most crucial for your immediate needs. Now, decide on which date filter option suits your requirements. If, for example, you're looking to evaluate tasks or entries that are due or have occurred within the current week, selecting this week will immediately adjust your sheet to display only those relevant entries. If you have more specific dates in mind, perhaps for a longer-term project or a custom time frame, you might opt to choose the date range option. This selection will enable you to set your parameters, pulling up only the data that falls between the start and end dates you specify. Once your dates are chosen, or set according to your needs, you'll see your sheet automatically adjust. This real-time update ensures you don't have to refresh or re-export any data. It's all handled seamlessly within Smartsheet. This feature is particularly handy if your sheet contains a wealth of information but you're only interested in a specific time frame. It refines your view, making it far more manageable at a glance. Remember that you can always adjust your filters, coming back to that trusty drop-down near your column header whenever your needs shift. Experiment with different selections to see how Smartsheet organizes your data under each setting. With a few clicks, you can transform a potentially overwhelming sea of data into an insightful snapshot that's immediately useful. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to filter dates in Smartsheet. By harnessing these filtering options, you're not only saving time, but also enhancing your ability to make data-driven decisions swiftly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has given you the clarity and confidence to navigate your Smartsheet like a pro. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to optimize your workflow.